Welcome. In today's quick tutorial, we're going to walk through how to remove recognized devices by date on the Facebook app for PC using the latest update. To get started, open the Facebook app on your PC. Once you're logged in, head straight to the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile photo. This will open a menu with several options. From there, look for Settings and Privacy and click on it. You'll see a drop-down menu, select Activity Log. This takes you to a place where Facebook tracks your account activity. Next, scroll down or find the section labeled Security and Login Information. Click on it to access more security settings related to how your account is accessed. Now, it's time to find the list of recognized devices. Click on Recognized Devices, and you'll see all the devices that Facebook currently remembers as having access to your account. At the top of this page, you'll notice an option labeled Date. This is new and super helpful. Click on it to open a date selector, where you can choose the period for which you want to view and manage recognized devices. Select your desired date range, and then click Save Changes to apply the filter. With the devices filtered by your chosen date, scan through the list to find the device you want to remove. When you find it, look to the right side of that device entry and click on the three dots for more options. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Remove. This action will revoke access from that recognized device for the specified time period, giving you better control over your account's security. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can easily manage your recognized devices on Facebook, especially now that you can filter them by date. It's a simple but powerful way to keep an eye on your account and make sure only the devices you trust have access. Thanks for watching. Thanks, Morse.